Zurv is an AI-powered development environment designed for real data and machine learning work. It's a place where code is not just written, but executed, where results are visible immediately, and where the AI understands the full state of your project as it evolves. The AI can see your variables, your datasets, and your results. That means each step builds naturally on the last. Zurv is built around notebooks that are connected into visual pipelines, so you can move naturally from exploration to repeatable workflows. Zurv also manages execution environments for you. Your dependencies, configurations, and runtime state are preserved. You can reuse environments across projects, share them with teammates, and avoid the overhead that usually slows teams down. As your work grows, Zurv grows with it. Anything from quick experiments to long-running analytical systems. Zurv is not just an AI that helps you write code. It's an environment that helps you finish the work. If you want AI, code, data, and execution to live in one place, that is what Zurv is built for. Sign up for free today at zurv.ai.